Hi, I'm going to introduce you to the window strategy. The window strategy is a great strategy for multiplication. It is great for 2 by 2 digit numbers or 2 by 3 or 3 by 3 digit numbers, anything greater than that. You would not use this strategy for a simple 1 digit by 1 digit multiplication equation. Here we go. Firstly, with the window strategy, all we do is create a lovely window. I'll use 34 times 45 as an example. What we do now is we write 30 up here and the 4 from here, from our 34. On the right hand side, I'm going to take my 40 and my 5. Alright. Now, I need to match up my boxes. I've got 30 and 40 here. I know by multiplying by zeros, I can take away my zeros and make that 3 times 4. That equals 12. Adding back in my zeros, 1, 2. Now, 4 times 40 in this box. I know 4 times 4 equals 16. Adding in my 1 0 I removed, 160. Now I come over to here, 30 and 5. I know 3 times 5 is 15. Adding in my 0, 150. Now, my last box, 4 times 5. No zeros to move here. 4 times 5 is 20. Now what I need to do is add all 4 of these numbers, starting with the largest, 1200. We can go plus 160, plus 150, and adding in our 20 at the end. I'll put this into a vertical formula for us. Here I've got the 1200 plus 160 plus 150 plus the 20. Let's work our way down. 0, 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 2 is 13, 3, carrying our 1 over to the hundreds, 2 plus 1 is 4, plus that our 1 here is 5, and 1 plus nothing is 1,530. So the answer to 34 times 45 was 1,530. Now if you're faced with a 2-digit multiplied by a 3-digit, this time we'll do 2 down and 3 across. Breaking it up again, I'll have my 30 and my 2 for 32. Now my 450, 450, and a 0 here. With 450, you could have also removed this altogether. It's not necessary to be there. If it was 456, let's pretend it is, we need the 6 here. With a 0, you wouldn't need that column. Remembering that we match up, where these two match up, in that box is where we put our answer. I'm going to take away my zeros, 3 zeros, make it 4 times 3, which is 12, and then add in my other 3 zeros. Why don't you try and solve this one yourself? I'll even give you the answer to see if you're right. 14,592. Take your time, work it out, see where you made your mistake if you make one. Good luck.